Ready?
Yep. Can you see that?
Yep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, watch the merge. Keep left on exit for hairpin right. Into square left. Hairpin right. Tight nips. Square left tight into square right. Square left into square right. Keep it tidy. Watch that one.
Yep.
Square right into square left. Square right into square left. Into square left, into square right. Keep right after the bill for a square left. Into a square right. Into a square right. Into a square left. Left entry, single chicane, split right. Split right. Your right entry, triple chicane. Right up against the pit wall. Do a square right, do a square left, and then round the hairpin. Into a left entry triple chicane. Watch the bails.
That's tight.
Tight. Keep left on exit for hairpin right. Hairpin right into square left. Tight nips. Tight square left. Square right. Into a square left. Keep it tidy. Into a square right. Into a square right, into a square left. Saw that coming for us there. Square right into a square left. Square left into a square right. Keep right after the bill for square left. Into a square right. Square right.
Count the horn. Well, not yet.
Square left.
There you go.
Left end,
Okay,
single chicane. Split right.
Get the horn.
Split right. There we go.
Yep, done it.
Yeah. Right entry, triple chicane. Yep. Then we'll go right up against pit wall. Into square right. Into square left. Then round the hairpin. Left entry, triple chicane, tight. Tight.
That's so tight.
Keep left on exit. For a hairpin right, into square left.
That's so bloody tight.
Here's the tight nips. Into a tight square left. Square right. Into square left, keep tidy.
Track's getting dirty, that's what it is.
Square right, watch the bail on this one. Square left. Boggy, isn't it?
Very.
Square right, into square left. Into square left, into square right. Keep right after the bail for square left. Square right. Square right. Square left. Left every single chicane, we're splitting left. Split left over finish. Don't crash. $7.57.